Hello and welcome everyone this wonderful evening where we are going to learn 4-step formula for redesigning your life, and welcome to your new life. Thanks for registering this webinar with invitation, without invitation, with registration or without registration. You are here. It's all divine plan, and it is answers to your prayers, solution to your obstacles, challenges, and situations. There is no other reason you are here. This invitation has been sent to many people, but you have given a priority. You have made a time, a valuable time for attending this webinar, and I will do in best of my power and best of knowledge to deliver my 1000% and let the universe speak through me what is to be heard by you. So change your mind and it will change your vibe. If nothing around you changes, the the things that are around you, said by Tyrese Gibson. Let me go to the next. Thank you for joining this webinar. Thanks for joining this. I would like all of you to introduce yourself, your name, your profession, and your location, and one reason what you are looking out of this webinar, or what is your expectation. If you have registered through email registration, I will be having your database. But if you have come directly with the link, I will request you to write your name, city, and your phone number and email address. So I will be communicating with you. Stay till the end of the webinar, because after the end of the webinar, you are going to get a written gift, the birthday gift, the book, the free ebook which I have offered and promised during the webinar registration. I request everyone to keep a notepad and book ready, because this webinar is going to be next 90 minutes. And I always keep a note what I learned from. So I highly request, because I'm going to just run through the 3 secrets as promised. You can note down. So keep a notepad and pen ready and stay till the end. Yes, welcome Dr. Purnima, welcome Manas, welcome Nilima, welcome Vrinda. Yes, I can see so many of them. Manjusha, Sunita, Sunil, Dr. Sanjay, so pleasure that you are part of this, because you are one of the inspiration for me. Dr. Shweta, welcome everyone. Yes, somebody joined from UK. Yes, Shweta, Ashwini from UK, Shaunak from US. Welcome each and everyone. Yes, introduce yourself in the chat box. I can see your chat box, but you cannot see. Introduce your name, profession, location, and the phone number. Yes, welcome. So we are going to learn the 4 secrets to design life. Everybody wants a happy life. Everybody wants to be healthy. Everybody wants to be prosperous, and yet the balanced life. In our life, we are good at making money at the cost of health and relationship. Sometimes we are having good health, but no money, no relationship, or something it is imbalance. And every human on this earth want a balanced life. So it is a process how to design life, which we are going to learn how to have this balanced lifestyle of money, health, prosperity, wealth, where you are going to learn the 9 secrets to 3P ultimate lifestyle. At the end of this webinar, you will learn those 9 secrets. And what is 3P? What is 3P? Any guess? You can make out. And what is that the priority in your life right now? Because everybody's priority at certain life stage is different. Sometimes it is money, sometimes it is health, sometimes it is wealth, the future security, sometimes it is relationship, sometimes peace of mind, sometimes no thoughts, no stress. So what is number one priority in your life? You can note down. And all are same. Everybody wants something in the life and they are looking for more and more in life. It is not like that you don't have anything right now. So who is this webinar for? First, if you are pretty satisfied but still feel that you want more out of life, okay, I had those my goals, take education, have a good job or business, earn money, have my own house, have my car, have my family, and have all those gadgets in the house. You must be pretty satisfied, but still you want something more out of life, not money, something else that you are missing in the life. Individuals who are deeply in the need of change results. You want different results in your life. You are fed up of your own rut lifestyle, doing the same thing in the morning, getting up, going, eating, sleeping, and whole cycle goes like that. So if you want to change results, individuals who are feeling stuck or unsure what to do next, if you feel stuck in the life, I don't know what to do now, what should be next step, whether I should learn this, whether I should change the job, shall I start the business, what I should do exactly. So this webinar is for you who is looking to understand the steps of creating and meaning and purpose to their lives. Okay, I am leading a life, great lifestyle, I'm in the comfort zone, but I don't know what's my use, what's the purpose of life, why I'm doing all this, why I'm taking so much stress, why I'm running after money, why. So this webinar is for you. And if you want a balance in life, everything balanced, then this webinar is for you. So this program, at the end of the program, you will get an idea and you will get answers to all your situations or what you are looking for. But before that, I would like to just throw a light that why coaching, why learning is important. There are 47,500 professionals who coaches across the world, and they are having annual income of $2 billion each year. So there is a power of so much of coaching, which is more aware and more popular in Western countries because of the culture. They are not having joint families. Nobody is giving them knowledge how to run a life. At the age of maybe 15, 18, they stay away from the parents. All the teenagers has to face their life without any experiences and guidance, and that's why coaching works. But now it has become popular in India also. Even though we are staying in the life of many people around us, there is a cultural shift. We also need 99% people are satisfied with the overall experiences of the life coaching. So what are the outcomes attributed to coaching? You need some push, and we always have a difference of opinion with our parents, grandparents, maybe the joint family members, and we don't get along with the ideas and whatever it may be. So we always learn from others' mistake. We learn from different training program, and that's the reason you are here. You are open to the learning. So what will happen is, if you go through this program, which is called as 9 Secrets to Triple Lifestyle, or maybe it is a 4-step formula to design your life, ultimately it is designing your life, getting more results in your life, changing the results in your life, and go to the next level. If you are looking to level up your self-awareness, this will help you. If you are looking to the goal setting process in a smart way, this will help you. If you are looking for a balanced lifestyle, to lower your stress level, or you want to discover yourself, you want more self-confidence, so on, You require a lifelong learning, you require accountability partner, you require a life coaching, you require different courses. Even if you want more productivity or the association with the positive people, which is very, very less when you stay around, and most of our family members, they don't believe in ourselves. And I can assure you, if you spend this 90 minutes and become aware of the some principle, implement those principles with goal setting, definitely it is your return on investment of your 90 minutes. So these are some infographics I would like to give. If you go across a lifelong learning and a systematic formula and strategies of all successful people with desired results to achieve, definitely you will get results. So whatever you see in little red areas, these are the results. If you are looking out of these some results, maybe the quality of life, a better family relationship, you want to increase your energy levels, more income, stop some bad habits, change in the career, you want more free time, reduce your stress, balanced life, definitely you require constant learning and upgrading yourself. So before I come to the secrets of the program, let me talk about myself, who I am. Again, thanks for joining this program. Some people are known to me, some are unknown to me. You must have seen the Facebook ad, or you must have got link from your friends and relatives. Thank that person who has given this, because I know at the end of the webinar, you will get some points that will change your life. So before that, with your permission, before me talking about myself, let me give you some glimpses about my life. I'm just going to run my video. This video is there on my YouTube channel also, but with your permission, I'm just running my video. So I'm grateful that basically I'm a cosmetic dentist. I'm also done my in the naturopathy in yoga and naturopathy, doctorate naturopathy. I'm also done my nutrigenomics consultation, because I was already looking rightly, also studied many alternative medicine systems. I've gone through the spiritual journey. You can see different spiritual journey, started from Om Shanti, also gone through some challenges. So that time I have come across some mystical gurus, have done the Happy Thoughts program for 3 years, have done Avadut Shiv Baba, Isha Yoga, Art of Living, Vipassana Sanda, because I was just going through my spiritual journey. I have learned pranic healing, have gone through Vedas, Upanishada, and my training started with my first motivational guru, with Dr. Sneha Desai, when I saw a 23 years old person in 2012. I have gone through different training programs like Bob Proctor, Joe Vitale, all secret teachers. He is my energy booster, Anthony Robbins. I've done many online trainings. Again, Vindri Opera, when turning your wounds into wisdom. Arvind Khan in 2014, then the trainer, and Smita Jaikar, Sujata Mehta. We had a project Rock Baby Rock, have done money workshops, taken training from World Health Development Center, Kaizen training from Latesh Shah. He's motivational, have done trainer program, a contemplative program of Success GAN. The last training I attended was a 6th March 2019. This is my vision and this is my mission. And my mission, with your permission, I would like to talk about my mission before I come across this, that my mission is to inspire, guide, empower, and coach 1,000 souls to optimize and design their life in spite of busy schedule, with peak health, peak energy, peak productivity towards peace, progress, prosperity, a life full of zest, passion, joy, and bliss till the last breath of life. So this is some case studies of 1,287 leaders, where they wanted to improve their money situation. They wanted self-esteem and self-confidence. These are our successful people, but they found out they want some change in their life. They wanted to develop a mindset of personal growth, maybe the focusing of clearly, improve the relationship, being happy, live life of passion. So these are the problems. People are looking for these results because they think this is a problem in my life and I want this. They want to eliminate negativity and be positive, improve career and job situation. Sometimes everything is there, but they don't have an inner peace, sometimes purpose. So what this 3P lifestyle is going to offer you, that you will be fitter than you have ever been and experience levels of happiness you have never known. You will break through the fears and limits that you have kept you small for your entire life. You will discover the habits and rituals of most successful people on earth. And why I am telling is this, because I have gone through it. I was longing for this. I was not having, and I have learned and implemented those formulas from various trainers, have spent more than 75 lakhs over now almost 20 years. And the biggest training is my life challenges, extreme life challenges in the area of money, having more money, spending money, gone through the debt cycle, having extreme relationship, extreme health situation and the home, hospitalization in the home, and balancing on all fronts, and still wanted to go to the next level, discover and develop the unbeatable mindset, heart set, health set, and the soul set. You will be able to create a perfect balance between work and family life. If you want one of this, just say yes, yes, I want it. Because when you will say yes to the universe, universe will bless you. If you want clarity and setting up the goals, it's a very, very spiritual process. And if you do it, it is a really fantastic, and you have to design the goals in 12 areas of life, crafting your life, designing the building of your life. So I have just done it with all the formulas and strategies and process. 10x productivity on increase your peak performance, how you want performance. You develop the passion and peak energy and bliss. Believe me that I was not so energetic, always dull, not smiling, a very sophisticated and not so expressive, not happy within. So if you feel that you have lost your inner child, this is for you. You will have path to the everlasting wealth, how it can be created. If you're looking for harmonious relationship, this 3P Ultimate Designer Lifestyle Matrix will provide you those 9 secrets. That's a trademark of Dr. M.K. Shivani. That's me. So why this coaching is required? The same. You want to increase the quality of life. You have got a good life, but why don't you go for great life by designing your life? And that will give you the balanced lifestyle. So again, I will repeat, my mission is to guide, help, and coach, empower busy professional over 35 years of age, because this is the age you hit the reality of life. At the age of 25, with your sparkling eyes, the bigger dreams, with full of energy, you start your life. As you go along, you come across a very beautiful experiences of life. And the age of 35, you hit the reality. Some people struggle to change the results for their life, or I have seen many people giving up their life at the age of 35. At the age of 40, they have given up. And it is said by Earth Nightingale, out of 100 people, 54 are broke. They are still financially dependent on somebody. One will become independent financially. One will still be, only one will be the rich, because they have not set goals. To optimize and craft your life in spite of busy schedule, have a life of balance. So this is my mission. I really thank that you are become a part of my mission, whether you associate with me for a long time or no. Still, I visualize you in my mission. and you will design your ultimate lifestyle of personal freedom, super healthy, super happy, prosperous life. So here we come with the secret one. If you want to change anything in your life, understand there is a wheel of life. It is like a cycle. Cycle has spokes. If one spoke is broken, the cycle will run, but it will not run smoothly. You will still run the cycle. The second spoke will come out. The third will be the bent. Fourth will not perform, and you will not have a smooth ride of cycle. So understand wheel of life. So it is a Maslow hierarchy of needs. First, we start with our physical needs: roti, kapda, makan, oxygen, water, sleep, food. Then we come to the safety needs, where we want security, stability. Then we come, after that we have everything, we come to the love and belonging. We want friendship, we want relationship, we want family, the acceptance from the family, to love and to be loved. Everything is there, but no one around to be loved or to respect and love you. After that we come to the self-esteem. You may have everything, money, but you should be able to digest what you have. The self-esteem, achievement, the mastery, that is esteem. The last one is the self-actualization, where you will come out with your creativity, spontaneity, self-fulfillment, lack of prejudice, and acceptance of the facts. So this is the wheel of life as per as needs. So how it starts: the first is survival, food, clothes, and shelter. Security, then we start looking after our diet, fitness, sleep, money. Then we come to the severing of this, where we will give little focus on the food, music, art, nature. We'll start cultivating those, that is family, friendship, intimacy with some good friends, achievement of ethics, self-esteem, confidence, and success. Then the last one is the wisdom, creativity, problem solving, pursuit of the truth, impacting the world. And I have gone through these stages, and now I know that my purpose of my life is to impact, create impact, inspire others with the knowledge and experiences I have in my life and learned from my wounds. So there are 8 dimensions of wellness. You will feel balance when you will think there are 8 areas, and you will start working on those areas. It start with the physical, mental, environmental, financial, spiritual, vocational, emotional, and social. Overall development. So wheel has to run smoothly, where already I told, when you are thinking about the health, how many of you are thinking of the wellness, what you eat, how you breathe, how you drink water, whether you are having a certain strength, what are you doing to get the wellness and health and the strength? About the wealth, how much is the enough for you? What are the sources of finance? Is it sufficient for you? Relationship, do you really have good friends? What are your power pillars? If nothing is there with you, and if your situation is there, how many people will come forward to help you, in spite of thinking whether you have got money, name, fame, because you have done something in the last? Relationship with your life partner, how is it? Whether you respect each other, where you love unconditionally. Relationship with others, with the self-love and self-respect. Connection, the spiritual connection, contribution in the community, and about the growth. If you are not having growth in the career and learning, and not going with the change of trend, you will not move forward. So this is very important to understand the wheel of life. So I want to do a exercise here. Just rate yourself in all these 8 areas. What do you think out of 10? What is your health status? You just mark yourself. Otherwise, you can just make a round. In the actual program, we take an exercise, but you can rate yourself. How is your money area? How is your health area? you give marks to yourself out of 10. And just see whether everything is at 5 or some is at 8 and some is at 1, 2, 3. So what is the circle? Just take a minute and just rate yourself, the 8 areas. How much marks you give in your health area out of 10? How much marks you give yourself? How happy you are out of 10? The money area, the growth area, the contribution area, the connection with people, relationship with your partner, relationship with other friends and family. So this is the wheel of life. The secret two is the habit installation formula. The step one is the understanding. If you want to have a smooth ride in your life or the balanced ride, there will be obstacles, but your life will cycle will go little smooth because you know how to balance it. So where you rate, so that is a self-awareness program. So how many of you have become aware? I was not knowing these 8 areas. Maybe I knew that there were 8 areas, but I did not know in a depth. Maybe I knew all 8 areas in depth, but I never thought of improving and balancing those. Just give a mark to yourself, and there you are coming to the second area, that is habit installation formula. This is very, very important step in the life secret, that once you become aware what you want to be, where you are at, you have to change certain habits to get those results. And where this formula comes is the habit installation formula. If I wanted to change some results, I identified those spots and I have installed those some habits. And let me tell you that anything you want to change, it takes 66 days. It takes 21 days, definitely, but that is the first stage. First 21 to 22 days is destruction of the old habits, where you will be fighting with yourself, making a change in daily routine, because you are so set naturally. And even if you are uncomfortable, you are comfortable in that uncomfortable position. And when you make certain changes, install those success habits to get the desired results, there will be destruction of old habits. After that, the second stage will be there. Actually, these new habits will be installed. So the first will be deleted and second one will be the install, where you will become little comfortable. And the next 22 days is the phase of integration, where it will become a part of your life. Anything may come, but you will never change those habits. So this is the habit installation formula. You have to go across once you become aware by selecting those rituals to do things to get desired results. And it comes to the automaticity point. So let me talk about the case study. Once you become aware and when you want to install those habits, installing those habits, where you can see the example of 5 a.m. club designed by Robin Sharma. It is not like that it is the only person who has introduced this. It is our ancient culture. People used to get up early, not 5. They used to get up at 3:30. That's called Brahma Muhurta. When you get up in the morning at Brahma Muhurta, you are connected to the universe. You are at your best. You are one with the universe, and the maximum creativity will come out of you. So this is a habit installation protocol, where you will distract, then you will have little confusion whether to do or don't do, and then it will become an integration. So after 66 days, it will be easier to do new habits, and at the end of 66, you will have greater results. So another case study I would like to tell, that you can see the ideal morning routine. It should be in front of you. If it is there in front of you, you will do usually the ideal routine of the successful people. has been studied like that. You can see 50% of them get up before 7 a.m. 70% are before 6 a.m. but the maximum are before 7 a.m. So wake up time of successful people. I have also personally studied the Elon Musk, Amazon owner. He gets up after 7, but the most of the people are getting up at 5 o'clock. So get up, even how you open those blinds and make your bed will talk about yourself, because how you do anything, you will do everything. Then you will wash your face, fill up with water bottle, 10 minutes of biological this thing, then 5 minutes of journal, read 10 pages a book. So many things we will come across those, but this is usually the successful people do in the morning, and they are not getting connected with everyone. They are to themselves because they want to increase the productivity. So these are some 20 habits of highly successful people who takes the responsibility of life. This is the case study I have done. This is the case study results I know. And after going through all the success studies and all those infographics, I have come to the, I am no a different person, that I will have my own way. It's better that learn from others' mistake, that is a smartness, and use the wisdom of people because they have already failed, and we can get the morning benefits of these successful habits. Maximum is doing exercises. When you do little exercises in the morning, maybe the stretching, the good positive hormones will get released. Some people do their emails and work, then reading, mindfulness, gratitude, family type, and social media is only 7%. So if you are one of the person who takes a mobile immediately after you get up, a mobile devo bhava, you have to change the habits. So this is the habit of successful people, that prioritize, create morning routines, have daily meditations. And at the end of this, who are attending this webinar, I'm going to give you a gift, that is 21 super empowering rituals for morning your personal mastery. I have been using those 21 rituals implemented since last 10 years. You may add you can personalize. Even if you do little morning rituals, the way you can see in the graph, that is good, more than enough. So these are the habits. And now we are coming to the secret tree, which is designed with the source of universe, all the creativity and the blessings from the universe. I got connected to the universe, getting up in the early morning, 3:30, doing self-analysis, learning from my wounds, learning from my all the mentors, learning from their mistakes, a 3-step formula where if you are having a better awareness, the step 1, which you have become aware about the life wheel now, you will learn and grow. You will make better choices. That is, you will implement and execute those habit installation with those morning rituals. Third is when you become aware, you select those choices, install and execute those morning rituals to get desired results. Definitely 1000% you will get the better results, and you will have a better income, because your income is directly proportional to your personal growth. Your influence is directly related with your personal growth. And that's why this is the 3-step formula to ultimate lifestyle, that you will have the analysis of your life wheel. You see the colors. Somebody is having 2 scores, somebody is having 5, and you can see, I am sure 100% of them. Right now also, my wheel is little irregular. I have to correct round, and it will be a lifelong process till the end. But from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, at least we should come to the 8 to 9 by the end of life. If you are coming to the 10, you will be not there on earth. So analyze your life wheel. What are your scores? Where are your irregularities? Where you are lacking behind? Install those habits from our 21 morning rituals, what you need as per your results, and just execute it, and you will have the better results. This is a scientific formula to get any results. So this is my secret of 3P ultimate lifestyle formula, that is peace, progress, and prosperity. See, everybody wants money. Most of the people want money, but only money will not do. You want better health, because if you have better health, if you have health, you will have everything. If you don't have health, you will have nothing. That money is of no importance. The first is health, then money and relationship. So if you think normally, everybody wants better health, better money position, and better relationship. So that's, I have realized that if you understand the power is within you, the control is within you, and if you learn the people skills, understand the personality types, you will develop the patience. You will have a greater harmonious relationship. If your relationships are better, you will have peace. How many of you resonate with this? How many of you resonate with this? Always there is a conflict in the family, conflict at your workplace, because you don't have a patience. You don't understand the other person. You don't understand the personality type, the psychology behind his expression. You take it more personalized, and you don't understand the power is within you. If this is taken care of, how to deal with people and keep your peace at peace, you will have a greater relationship and you will have a peace. The second is progress. How many of you believe if you have a persistent habits of early morning rituals, of exercise, which will give you the positive formation of stress releasing hormones and also a positive hormones to elevate your mood, you will perform. Your mood gets affected in the morning because of some conversations. If morning your mood is good, persistent habits will give you the peak performance, will give you the powerful performance, and you will be able to sustain the peak health, and you will always progress. If there is an obstacle because you are not able to perform mentally or physically, you will be stagnant there. If you want your progress, your energy, your health has to be at peak health. You see, all the performing successful people, maybe in the job, business, profession, training industry, they are with the peak health, even if they are age of 50 or 60. If your health is not a priority right now, it has to be priority if you want to perform throughout your life. The health should be priority. You have to age, but there should be a graceful aging and not the unhealthy aging. The third is the prosperity. If you know what's the purpose of your life, if you know what makes you passionate to perform the work, you will have more productivity. How many of you feel more energy when you are doing the work which you like? And how many of you feel drained out when you are doing the work against your moral value or which you don't like? So purpose, passion, and productivity will lead you to everlasting wealth, the money creation, and you will have a prosperity. So how we are going to develop these 3P? Are you resonating with me? Peak health, everlasting wealth, and harmonious relationships will lead you the balanced lifestyle, because these things will come automatically. So these are my 9 P's. which we are going to develop within you to get this 3P, where you are going to optimize your life with balance. How we are going to do is, first, we are going to work on your mindset, where you will be having the videos and books which will change your mindset. The second is the goal writing, and you will have your goal card. The third one is you will follow some morning rituals. And the fourth formula is the accountability mastermind group. You may be aware, you may select some great choices, implement, execute, you will get results, but you will not be progressing to get a better and better result unless you have an accountability partner. So this is about 3P. So this, I hope it has made a change in you. How many of you have learned something? Yes, I would like to see your comments. You have something to take away. So what is that 3 things you have learned out of these 3 secrets? What are those 3 points which you learn? So there are so much to learn in the life till last breath of life. You have to be, I have to be a student till the last breath of life. So how many of you believe that there is so much to learn, and what we learn, if we don't implement, there is no use? So applied knowledge is powerful. So with that, thanks for joining the webinar. If you have some commitment, you can leave this seminar with your permission. Now I'm going to tell you that how to implement this model. Now you have learned this secret, how to put into the daily action, how I can know what I want, how can I set my morning routine, I'm confused, how somebody can push me to get the result, how I can track, where I'm going to give you a solution, the blueprint of 3P Ultimate Lifestyle Blueprint. So I'm come up with online course, and with your permission, I'm going to launch my lifestyle coaching program, which is a 3 days online video course, Design Your Life 3P Ultimate Lifestyle Blueprint. So this is the program, and this is the ultimate action oriented training system to give you the ultimate personal freedom. So design your life with this video online. In this 90 minutes, you have learned only the trailer, few points. The more depth is coming inside, and this course is an online course. What you are going to learn in this is what is 3P Lifestyle Matrix formula. You will learn you get the clarity of life. You will go through the goal setting exercise. You will have the skills, knowledge, and mindset required to set the extraordinary life. You will learn the 3 secrets in depth with the 4 steps result oriented formula. You will learn what are those 4 internal empires, what are the 8 forms of wealth creation, and what are the 7 external empires of my life. And this program is valued at 14,999. Today's offer is only 6,999 plus GST. What you are going to learn in this program, the ultimate action oriented training system. Wait for the special gift for action takers, because if you take action, the path to success is to take a massive determined action. If you are determined to change your life, if you are determined to design your life where you are coming from, you may be at a greatest situation, but still you want to design your life. Here I am going to offer the special, the free gift with that course. This is a video course to find out your passion and the clarity life, the clarity of life blueprint. What do you want? What is your ikigai? That is your Japanese secret to find out your passion. Will be provided with so many of templates to find out your why. The free gift number 2 is the goal setting template video course, and the template how to set your 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year, and 20 year goals. And I'm sure 1% people are only set the goals for 20 years. Have you thought what your life is going to look like after 20 years. The free gift number 3, success habits protocol. What are those morning rituals? How to set your morning rituals, and so many articles in depth. So this 4-course bundle is 3P Lifestyle Blueprint, which is costing 14,999. Clarity of Blueprint, Goal Setting Blueprint, Success Habits Blueprint, 5,000 each. So total cost is 30,000, is coming only at 6,999. Do you want more? Yes, everybody wants more. So I'm going to give you some more fast action bonus who are going to take action in next 15 minutes till I'm giving the more details about the course, what you're going to benefit, what you are going to achieve in this 4 course. Apart from those 4 courses, I'm going to offer you the 3P Designer Lifestyle Hub, where we will have the community to redesign and unlock your extraordinary life of dreams. I'm going to give one more bonus, the Money Matrix Blueprint, where you will understand your money blocks, you will know about the money management, you will change your money world, and you will have the power-packed money secrets to attract money. One more gift about the health secrets, the blueprint for your peak health, about your diet, about your nutrition. Don't waste your time in learning that. Just follow the secret formula, the proven scientific formula of your peak health. Productivity, everybody wants productivity. How you can increase your 10x productivity, where we'll be providing the productivity planner, the video courses to do your 10x productivity with so many articles about the productivity. Some more, when you are designing your life, you need to have the vision board. So we are going to talk about the vision board. You are going to have the video course. You will be having the action exercises, and we will be doing the vision board. We'll be creating the life of extraordinary limbs, the best of your health, the best of your money situation, best of your relationship, what you want to have, what you want to experience, what you want to be, what you want to have, feel, the vision board exercises, the blueprint of your life. Some more, that you will be having weekly mastermind, unique topics on each to solve your situation, solve your problems on every Friday, 7:30 p.m. A webinar recordings will be provided into 3P Elite Club Archive, and life hacks. Life hacks. There is no problem without any solutions. I have gone through each and every problem of life, including the income tax, including the legal, including the court, including the cases, everything. So this 9-course bundle at the price of 1, let me repeat, you are going to experience 3P Ultimate Lifestyle Blueprint 3 days online course with these amazing benefits of clarity of life blueprint, goal setting blueprint, success habit blueprint, money matrix blueprint, peak health formula, peak productivity blueprint, vision board formula, and exclusive 3P Elite Club Archive, which is a lifelong access to all life hacks. So this is a fail-proof system for your futures. You need to just take actions, quick actions. I like who never give up, who never give up. I know that you have got the great potential in yourself. The best is yet to come. I was never like that, with all full of confusion, full of less confidence, no expression, bogged out with stress of money, worrying about money, balancing life, and no balance, lot of stress. But I have learned and I have implemented, got the better results, and now my mission is to push you to bring out the best. So I like the people who want to never give up. If you are really serious to change, particularly in this uncertainty time. We don't know. We are just phone call away. What is going to happen? And let me tell you, this is not get rich quick scheme. You have to sow the seeds, but I can guarantee you that you will have a better quality fruits, a 1000% better quality. So what you are going to get apart from this, you are going to get the system support. You may take this course, you may not take this course. It is not going to make any difference to me. My mission is on. The right people will come. I am just a medium of a divine channel. It is prayer to your answers. It is solution to your obstacles, solutions to your challenges. I'm just a medium. Apart from these 9 course bundles, I'm going to give you the system support where we will be having a daily meetups. You will be having access to 3P Lifestyle Hub, where we are going to share the knowledge of all. I am open to learn from all. We will be having guidance, a weekly mastermind group where we'll be having question and answers, coaching, mentoring, direction, goal, support. Also, you will be having updates on social media. If you have not signed up to my Facebook group, that is 3P Designer Lifestyle Hub, do join my Facebook group. The link is given. 3P Lifestyle Hub, that is my Telegram channel. I always believe in Telegram channel because the database is always stored in channel. WhatsApp consumes your data. You may delete the WhatsApp data, but Telegram channel will have the base database at cloud. Actions, how you can take actions is by monthly Elite live events. We'll be sharing the latest concept. I keep on learning by paying dollars and from my all mentors, online mentors. So we'll be having Elite Circle Club, a monthly Elite live events, a 1 hour live events on Restream, and you will be having access to this. So total bundle worth 63,000 rupees with this 9 course bundle. And asked me why I am giving at such a invaluable price. Ask me why. So let me share my story with this. I come from a background of my grandparents who have started their life from zero. One of my grandfather was begging on the roads because he lost his mother and he became a dentist. The another grandfather lost his father and he was doing a child labor at the age of 8 and who is witnessed by building a Victoria Terminus railway station. I come from such a humble background, but I'm so fortunate that they have become a hero of everyone. Everybody just keep their photographs and garland them. They are born in 1905. They expired at the age of 85 in the 1983. And I was blessed enough to experience the life experiences with them from childhood. And when they told, you may have money, you have everything, but if you have not made impact to the people who are suffering from any problem, if you are not a medium to give a solution to their problems, your purpose on this life is of no use. Don't think you are a male or female. You are born with a purpose. I never understood that. But when I have gone through the challenges of my life, I'm a single parent. I have been raised my son who is 20 years old from the age of 7 and have gone through the extreme challenges of health, money, relationship. In spite of those challenges, the God has given me the strength to have the zest in my life, and I know what's the purpose of my life. If people can go through that and bounce back and win, I want to inspire everybody and bring out the inner potential from them. I know what I was 20 years back, a very shy, introvert, egoistic, non-expressive, stressed out lady, and the best is yet to come. But I have come through all situation and I really want to help each one of you. There is nothing, no problem in this life. And there is a solution to each and every situation, every challenge in your life. You have got the story inside you. You can impact thousands of people around you. Even I can learn from you. So I want to help and bring out the lion and lioness within you and impact and contribute to your life. So this is my bundle at the rate of 6,999, where I'm offering this course bundle. So I'm going to start 15 minutes timer, take action, fast action. So there is my InstaMojo link. You can pay by InstaMojo, you can pay by RezoPay, Paytm, GPay, PhonePay. At this number, you are given your valuable time. Hope it has made an impact in your life. I have somewhat inspired you, motivated you to bring out the best in you, whether you join this course or you don't join the course. I bless you. I pray for the betterment of your life. And this is my gift. 21 empowering morning rituals for personal mastery. There is my Google Drive link. If you have given me your email or phone numbers, I will be sharing this free gift with you. So any questions, you can ask me questions. This is a proven formula, already experienced by many successful people, many mentors. Will it work for me? Yes. If you believe it will work for you, it will work for you. If you believe it will not work for you, it will not work for you. Can I do it? If you believe, can I do it? Yes. If you badly want to change your life, if badly you want some change in your life, if you badly want to bring out the best in your life, will I get time? 1 hour a day for 3 days and one bonus per day. You just invest 10 days of your life, and I'm sure after the 10 days you will be a new person and you will thank me for this, that good you have pushed me. And really, if it is bringing tears to your ear, a tear to your eyes, if you don't have 7,000 rupees, please, please, I urge you, please communicate with me. I don't mind giving it free. You pay whatever you want. You pay 1,000 rupees, you are committed. And I'm sure by the end of course, you will generate money and you will pay back. Nothing is free. But if you are getting obstructed, I don't have 7,000 rupees, you just book your course, tell me, I don't have spare money, I can give you 1,000 rupees, I can give you 2,000 rupees, and I pray for you. Your life is going to change. The God is going to prosper you. And I know that my money will come back, but don't obstruct yourself only with the reason I don't have time and I don't have money. If you really want to change, that much I can offer you. If you don't have money, no problem. That will come under my 10% charity. Congratulations, congratulations, Shweta, congratulations, Manjusha. You have selected the course. So this is the website, www.mkshivaninourish.com. You have done payment. Your payment has become successful by InstaMojo. Yes, you will be receiving the email. You can create your login and password. You will be directed to this website, www.mkshivaninourish.com. You will see a page. You will see images of this course. I'm having a different courses. This is a course, Extreme Right, which I have offered right now. If you go to my website, you have to buy it at 14,999. This exclusive offer is only for the webinar attendees. So you will be having this. When you will open the course, you will start a session where you will have a 3P Ultimate Lifestyle Blueprint orientation. You will see a video, you will see a document. if any assessment is there, you will see along that, and you will do session by session. Everything is guided there. So thanks for joining. If you have not made a decision, you can join my webinar again. If you want to take some time, just get your credit card, just get my debit cards, and just book your course. If there is a technical delay, I can understand, it happens in excitement. You can just message me personally, message me on email. I will consider that request. And really, I want you to take up this course. Don't get obstructed. I don't have money. If money is the problem, just offer whatever you want, and I will accept your post-dated payment later, but just take action, because if you don't take action right now, nothing is going to change. I hope that you had a happy learning. Congratulations, congratulations. You have made the best decision of your life. You have taken the first step to improve your life. It is an ongoing process, and I am going to be with you till the last breath of my life. And everything has been documented, everything has been recorded. Even if it does not happen, but divine grace, if even if I am not alive tomorrow, everything is automated. You will get access to everything. Have a great, great, great life. Thanks for joining again. And I hope it has made a difference in your life. And you will be offered with the gift of free ebook. If you find this valuable, inspirational, motivational, please share this link with friends and relatives who might need, and especially forward this link to a single parent, and especially single lady parent. I'm on a mission. At the end of life, I want to empower and give food, clothes, and shelter to 10,000 single ladies who should not feel they are not having support to look after their child. Thanks for making my day. Thanks for coming into my life. Thanks for taking action, and thanks for accepting the gift of free ebook. Thank you, and have a great day ahead. Have a bright future.